Welcome again. In the very first video, we have already learned how to build the images, correct size images for your website, and already we have built up these required images. These are in correct size. Now we will see how can upload the different images using your dashboard admin panel. So this is your website and this is your admin panel. Most of the things are controlled from extension modules. So these are the different modules, and it should be very clear कि you should not install any external module here, and also whatever the modules already installed, you should never uninstall it, because it will just make your website goes wrong. So just start with the logo. This is the logo and we will upload it from the admin panel. So go to system settings, and this is your default store. Edit it, and from here you can update your meta titles for your shop. You can do other settings. You can put a name for your store. You can put the store owner name, address put like this, and also put your GST number, because it will appear along with address in your invoice. Whatever you have the GST number, you can put it here. You can update your email, telephones. You can do other settings. Most of the settings is already done, so you just modify it as per your store. And from here you can update your store logo. So click here and click this, and you will get windows. And in order to manage all the images, because while updating your website there might be possible you will be having thousands of different images, so always create a banner. Like I'm creating a folder, name it something like banners. The directory is created, so we will put all the images like logo, banners in this folder only. So here we have already built, we have the logo of correct size. So I will pick it, open, and your file has been uploaded successfully. Click here and save it. So by this way you can update the store name images from here, and go to your website and refresh it. So you can see the logo has been updated very successfully. That's it.